An obstacle course, a STEM project. The goal of our obstacle course is to use math to help keep kids and adults healthy in new and exciting ways. Research. As a team, we divided our research between different topics, ideas, obstacles, materials, and pricing. The topic. We stay true to our topic by heavily including measurements, material prices, and making sure there's an adequate space between obstacles. Our citations for research are military1.com, alumniwellness.com, and mmatx.org, a military school's website. The goal of our obstacle course is to use math to help keep kids and adults healthy in new and exciting ways. First, the tire run. The tire run encourages leg strength and agility. The tire run is a classic of many types of courses. The cost estimate for the tire run is $122. In all, the obstacle will be 6 foot 7 inches in length. Next, the cargo net climb. The cargo net climb encourages upper body, core, and leg strength. This obstacle is inspired by playgrounds and military training courses alike. The estimate of this obstacle is $79.60. It will be 10 feet tall, 6 feet wide, and take up 5 feet of ground space. Next is the 3-foot hurdles. 3-foot hurdles encourage agility, upper body, and core strength. This obstacle is mainly inspired by Army training courses. The obstacle will have 5 3-foot tall hurdles that are 6 feet in length, 1 foot in width, and there will be 3 feet between each hurdle. Each obstacle will be 20 feet long. The cost estimate is $1,628.90. Next up, for my final recording, the multiple rope climb. The multiple rope climb encourages upper body core strength and agility plus balance. This obstacle is also inspired by Army training courses. Each obstacle is 8 feet tall and 20 feet wide and consistent dependent on the rest of the course. The cost estimate is $114.
Our fifth obstacle is the monkey bars. These monkey bars support upper body strength, and the obstacle is mainly inspired by playgrounds. The obstacle will be 10 feet long and 6 feet tall. Each rung will be about 1.5 feet. The estimate is about $215.22. Our sixth obstacle is the rope wall climb. The rope wall climb encourages upper body strength. This is inspired by military courses. The structure is 20 feet tall, 8 feet across, and takes up 6 feet of ground space. The cost estimate for the structure is $265.34. Our seventh obstacle is the climbing wall. This wall encourages upper body and core strength. The obstacle is also inspired by military training courses. The structure is 20 feet tall, 8 feet across, and takes up 6 feet of ground space. The estimated cost is $69.92. Our eighth and final obstacle is the warped wall. The warped wall encourages upper body strength and agility. The obstacle is directly inspired by American Ninja Warrior. The structure is 10 feet tall, 42 inches wide, and takes up 6 feet of ground space. The cost to buy a pre-made one is $2,499.96.